Hey guys, what is up? It is Swaziland Beavers. I am bringing you a bike check. This is a Haro 200.1. My brother has the same one right there, just green. If you can't tell, I took the sticker off, and that's all sticker residue and all that crap. But anyway, I have OD grips on there. They're about like $10. Aren't that much. I got Shadow pedals, and then I got a stolen seat, and then I got a set of Shadow pegs on there, and I really don't know what the wheels and stuff were they by the Gooseneck, but this was by Trio. There used to be a lot more than just those 3 letters, but I crashed pretty bad. I ended up doing that. That's why my plug is like that too. Yeah, I fucked up. And I took the sticker off because it was already half gone. So, yeah. I got aluminum rims on there, I think. Ooh, that sat down kind of hard. Right there. I think that says aluminum. Nope. Yep, aluminum something. Yeah. They're aluminum. They were stock. They came with the bike and all that. Yeah, Haro. It's Haro. If you guys were gonna buy a bike, I would actually recommend a Haro or a Sunday. Whatever one would be better to you. I got a chain. I don't know what the chain's by or who the cranks are by. I got a light on the back. You can just go and buy one of these from like Kmart and all that. Let's see if I can get it on. Hold on. There it goes. It looks really cool at night. Yeah, and then yeah, so that's my bike. Have any questions about it, put it in the comments. It's my kitty. It's a kitten. I got my pegs, my pedals, and my seat from Danscomp. DANSCOMP, Danscomp. Go on it. And then I got these from one place called Surf Skate and Wheel. It's actually where I got the bike. This used to be all black. I didn't like it all black, and I wanted to add some color. So yeah, that is my bike. You got any questions about it, please put it in the comments. I will, yeah, put it in the comments if you got any questions, and subscribe. Peace out.